Sniper trade of the day in NVIDIA for July 13th, 2026. So the black box is Friday's high and low at 1. The blue box at 2 is the last 3 10-minute bars of last week. So that's the last 30 minutes. 3 is the gap down. 4 is the OR 10, the opening range 10. 5 is a breakdown in the next bar below the OR 10, so we get short at the red dot with a stop at the PSAR dot, standard risk, about $2. It moves against us about a half an hour. It feels like a 1, 2, 3 reversal, so I cash at 6 for a half an hour loss. It then collapses immediately, crosses the VWAP, so we get short again at the same price at 7. Same risk, because why not? Now it's moving in our favor. That's good. Makes a new low of the day, so I add a position. Continuing to collapse with acceleration, add a position at 9. At 10, the RL10 reverses. At 11, I get a 1-2 reversal with price at the spine of the dragon. So that's about 2.5 R on the first position, about 1.5 on the second one, and half on the third. So that's about 4 R minus a half. So we're at about plus 3 R for the day. And later in the afternoon, so we're done. It stalls, and then I just noticed that it was a significant close well below the VWAP. There was no VWAP recovery. This was dedicated selling. This was not aggressive shorting. This was just people unwinding their positions. That's the sniper trade of the day for July 13th, 2026.